Hey everyone, welcome to today's art video. If you follow me on Instagram, you may have seen that I recently bought more plants. Yep, more plants. I've become somewhat of a plant hoarder. Plants and craft materials. Anyway, this past weekend, a local plant nursery had a pop-up shop in a cafe near my house, so my husband and I popped in and proceeded to buy way too many plants. And I still regret not picking up a few other plants that they had there. But anyway, one plant that I almost didn't buy, but my husband talked me into buying, not like it took that much to talk me into it, was this Calathea Lancifolia, which is also known as a rattlesnake plant. It has these long wavy edged leaves that have an interesting pattern on the top side and a beautiful purplish fuchsia color on the bottom. They're just so visually striking. I think the coolest thing about this plant, however, is that the leaves open and close throughout the day. During the day, the leaves are open and spread out to get as much sun as they can, and then at night, they close up. It's pretty interesting to see. I want to set up a time-lapse one day so that I can just see how much it moves. They can be a tad finicky, so I'm a bit worried that I won't do a good job of keeping it alive, but fingers crossed. I've actually had a Calathea before, a different variety that I forget, but the leaves were more rounded, not wavy on the edges, but it still had a cool pattern on top and a purple underside. Unfortunately, it ended up getting infested with spider mites, and it didn't last very long. But thankfully, the mites didn't move on to any of my other plants. I was sad to see it go, and I told myself I'd never get a Calathea again. But here we are. Anyway, I obviously decided to draw a plant, more specifically, this rattlesnake plant, in today's video. Initially, I was going to do plant studies of all of the plants that I got this weekend, but ultimately decided to just do this guy for now. Basically because I wanted to make an animation of its leaves opening and closing. I ended up doing just a simple 5-frame animation. I made 5 layers, and with each layer I would cut out, move, adjust, and or redraw the leaves moving. Then, later in Photoshop, I put each layer into an animation timeline and ta-da! A little animated version of this guy. So I'm gonna let the rest of the video finish out with this music, so enjoy! So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, all of that good stuff. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys later this week. Bye!